Looking for pressure tank repair and service in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how frustrating low water pressure, leaks, or system failures can be. That's why we provide fast, professional pressure tank repair and service to keep your water system running smoothly. Serving Edmonton, our expert technicians diagnose and fix pressure tank issues efficiently, ensuring consistent water pressure and long-term reliability. With transparent pricing, quick response times, and expert solutions, we're the trusted choice for homeowners and businesses in the area. Need pressure tank repair and service you can count on? Call us today or click Book online now to schedule your service with Kingstree Plumbing.